The Jeep CJ-5 is one of the most iconic classic off-road vehicles ever produced, known for its rugged design, simplicity, and legendary off-road capability. Introduced by Jeep in the 1950s, the CJ-5 remained in production for decades, and the 1978 model represents one of the later and more refined versions of this famous off-roader. The CJ-5 was heavily inspired by the military Jeeps used during World War II, which gave it a strong reputation for durability and toughness. By 1978, the vehicle had evolved with improved comfort and stronger mechanical components while still maintaining its classic utilitarian identity. Under the hood, the 1978 CJ-5 was available with several engine options, including inline, 6 and V8 engines. One of the most popular choices was the 304 cubic inch V8, which delivered strong torque and solid off-road performance. These engines were paired with manual or automatic transmissions and a dependable four-wheel drive system, making the CJ-5 highly capable on rough terrain. One of the biggest strengths of the CJ-5 was its compact size and short wheelbase. This made it extremely maneuverable on narrow trails, rocky paths, mud, and steep terrain. The lightweight body and high ground clearance allowed it to handle difficult off-road conditions much better than many larger vehicles of its time. From the exterior, the 1978 CJ-5 features a very classic Jeep design with round headlights, a vertical slotted grille, exposed hinges, and removable doors and roof options. Its simple and rugged styling became one of the most recognizable vehicle designs in automotive history. The open-top design also made the CJ-5 popular for recreational driving and outdoor adventures. Many owners customized their vehicles with larger tires, lift kits, winches, and additional off-road accessories, further increasing its popularity in the off-road community. Inside, the CJ-5 focused mainly on practicality rather than luxury. The cabin was simple and durable, designed to handle dirt, mud, water, and rough usage. Controls were basic, and everything inside reflected the vehicle's purpose-built off-road nature. Fuel economy was relatively modest, usually around 10 to 15 miles per gallon, depending on the engine and driving conditions. However, efficiency was never the main focus. Capability and reliability were far more important. Historically, the CJ-5 played a major role in building Jeep's identity as an off-road brand. It became one of the foundations of modern SUV and off-road culture, influencing many future Jeep models including the famous Wrangler. Today, the 1978 Jeep CJ-5 remains highly collectible and respected among classic off-road enthusiasts. Restored and modified examples continue to be popular for both recreational use and classic car collections. Overall, the 1978 Jeep CJ-5 stands as a timeless symbol of freedom, adventure, and off-road capability, a vehicle built to explore places where ordinary cars simply could not go.